Welcome to the Acoustic Insect Classification Project. I'm Alex, Scrum Leader for Team Insects, and I will be leading you through this demo. Recently, Insect Set 459 has been created in an effort to increase biodiversity detection. The idea is to increase scale and decrease the amount of resources necessary to effectively detect biodiversity. This will not only be done in audio ML with audio ML models, but also be done with image ML models. And the idea is to essentially allow for more accurate biodiversity measurements, which will therefore lead to more accurate ecological response. Our main contribution to the Arise platform was to research and develop 2 new acoustic models, both of which can be seen here. We have also created a basic command line interface that allows a researcher to input multiple files, acoustic files, and get a prediction. As you can see here on the right, it comes out in the JSON format, which integrates seamlessly with the Arise platform. Our overall results show that training models on higher level categorizations like genus or family rather than species might increase performance. Our hope is that future developers can use these results to better inform their methods on how to train and construct their architectures. I'll give you guys a quick demo of how a researcher would go about getting some predictions. Here in the left top corner, we see that we have some acoustic WAV files or MP3 files collected in this algorithm input folder. After the researcher downloads the correct model weights and the correct class mappings, the researcher will be able to run the following command, which allows the researcher to specify the input or the input file, which is this one, the output file, which is here, and specify which model they want to use, which there are 4 of here, CNN with the genus as the class mapping, CNN with the species as the class mapping, and the transformer models with the same as the CNN. And this also gives you an option to pool with an average or a max. So for now, let's try max. After loading, you can see it has given 3 predictions for each of the 3 files, and it also gives a percentage confidence value for its prediction. Then also there you can see it outputs as a JSON file, which is of adherence with the Arise JSON format. And thanks for watching. That concludes our demo.